Hi there, students. Loom. Okay, loom has two completely different meanings. Firstly, a loom is an apparatus to make cloth with. Okay, you have strands coming down and you weave cloth with it. You might have heard of the brand Fruit of the Loom, and these are clothes. Yeah, so the clothes are the fruit, the product of the loom, the machine to make cloth. This word comes from Old English, probably from gluma or glomma, meaning a tool. But we also have a verb in English, to loom, and this is completely different. To loom we use in various different ways. For example, a vague shape that's indistinct that you see in the darkness or in the fog, it appears. It looms. So this could be the reflection of a lighthouse on the clouds or something like that. You can't really see what it is, and it looks threatening, dangerous, menacing. But more normally we use to loom metaphorically. So something that, or a thought, or an indistinct thought that appears in your mind that feels threatening. We also use loom for an event that seems is going to happen soon and you're a bit afraid of it. Maybe the event is ominously close. You could also use this visually. A large object looms over a smaller one. Let's see, let me give you some examples. Okay, the mountains loomed over the city. Okay, they were much taller and it was like they were over the city, threatening it. Because to loom is normally something that you're a bit afraid of. War was looming. It looked ominously close. It seemed that there was going to be war and people were afraid of it. The big guy loomed over me. Okay, I felt like he was going to hit me or hurt me or attack me. I must study. My exams are looming. So they're happening soon and I'm afraid about it. I'm afraid that I might fail. Okay, so to loom is firstly in the darkness, something that you see indistinctly. A shape loomed in the darkness. The light of the moon loomed through the fog and clouds, so you couldn't see it clearly. And then something that you're afraid of that may happen soon in your mind. So my exams are looming. I'm frightened about them. Something that looms large. They use this phrase to loom large quite often. It's something that is imminent, is going to happen soon, or it looks like it's going to happen soon. And it's threatening, it makes you afraid. Yeah, you fear it. So it's like it comes into view, or the possibility or the probability comes into view. So an event that seems ominously close. It's about to happen and you don't really want it to happen. A large object looms over a smaller one and it looks like it's going to attack it or hurt it. This verb loom probably comes from German or Dutch, lommen, meaning to move slowly. Notice as well, to loom is a regular verb. Loom, loomed, loomed. And now you're going to ask me about formality. Let's see. I would say this word is neutral formality, but it sounds quite literary. It's a really good word for an essay or something like that. You could certainly use it in an informal conversation, but you could also use it in a more formal document. So you can use it in different situations. And it's quite a good word to show off your vocabulary. So something that looms, an indistinct shape in the fog, in the smoke. It appears, and maybe you're a bit frightened about it. And then from that, metaphorically, an event that is getting closer and closer, and you're frightened about it. And then the clouds loomed over the city, a large object over a small one. The clouds were grey clouds, and it looked like it was going to rain. To loom large, something that's imminent and threatening, that comes into view, well, not necessarily into view, but into your mind because it's quite close. And then also remember, a loom, the apparatus to weave cloth, fruit of the loom. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Loom. Loom large.